Hi guys, I just made a video and I was playing around inside a tutorial about Flatpak, and actually I want to cut a piece of the video and put it on YouTube again and give it a separate title, so it's gonna be there in you if you look for it, right? So it's gonna be in here. Let's open it up. So this is the video that I wanna cut. I was just playing around, we were waiting for something for an installation, and then I just included something in the video like NeoFetch. Did you know that you can just become a Ubuntu, right? This is the logo from Ubuntu, and we're playing around a lot, right? Raspberry Pi is there, and Cucumber and all kind of things, SteamOS Gen 2. So a lot of things we're playing around. So I want to cut a piece of video and put that back online. So first of all, this I don't need. This is the video I'm gonna cut. So let's give it an easier name. Why not call it input and the other one output, right? Because this is what's going to change, and I'm gonna call the other one output, which makes sense. The thing is, I need to get acquainted, nice word, I need to get to know a particular ffmpeg thing. So if I type just that, look at that, what we all can do, right? But no. So help, please. Or the other way around is man ffmpeg. If it exists, right? If these guys make something about ffmpeg, and you can start reading. Whew, right? Lots of information. What I want to do is cut things. There are codecs and decoders and all that. I see lots of information. But then you say it's all cool and well, but let's Google it, right? Because you are saying, all right, my God, it should be somewhere. ffmpeg cut video. Cut video. We see other commands there that Google says this, right? Let's go for this one. Use ffmpeg to cut up a video. Super user. Cutting the video based on start and end using ffmpeg. And some other settings. You choose one of them, right? With good luck, you say, okay, let's try out and see what people find. So I tried to cut. Okay, that's the first question. That's not going to be the solution. So then they come with answers. So you have your input MP4 and your output MP4. So basically, let's try this. Okay. That's easier than reading all that, right? So we have the input MP4, and then I do want to know what SS stands for, so I'm gonna scroll up. It's probably gonna be start or something. It's here, it is, time off. Set the start time offset. Set the time start offset. Tja, let's see, right? Minus SS. And where do I want the video to start? It's still there. I want the video to start somewhere. So let's listen to what I'm saying here. Headphone is on. Okay. Let's listen. 2:15 to 14. So I was at some point joking, and I said, let's show 2:14. Okay. So the video has to start. Nope. Stop talking. Okay. So 2:14. That's one thing I have figured out. So we start at 00:02:14. Next thing is, where should it stop? Minus T. Let's look for the T. Duration, record of transcript. how long I need to play it, not the stop. Wouldn't that be easier to say the stop? That's the time off. Record stop time minus TO, because duration is like 30 seconds, 60 seconds on, and then I have to count, I have to calculate when do I want to stop it. Let's have a look. I want to, so we're Gen 2 here, we're still playing around, here we are, all kinds of things. No, here we stop. And that's 6:42. Clear OS. One more. 6:50. No, 6:50. Let's start. $6.38, right? 6:40. 6:40. Okay. Escape. So I make my decision. I'm gonna cut at 6:40. So that's the time, right? So 00, 6 and 40. But then I shouldn't use T. I think I should use TO. Record and transcode stop time. Let's see if we can use this. And then where should it put it? It should put it in output.mp4. Cool. Go. Do your thing. What we haven't said, but I think it's standard, that's to keep the codecs. I have seen codes where they say codec copy, but I think if I don't mention it at all, it's gonna use the codec. So use other people's things. Here's the copy, codec, copy. Let's see. How are you, my friends? Still working? Still working. So if you're not having luck, change switches, change code, try another one. SS seeks fast, seeks accurately. Okay, try it out. This is maybe a tutorial. Voila, tutorial, which basically gonna give you the same thing. So this is the video codec and that's the audio codec. That much we can read already. And here it says -TO. Haha. Hopefully, yay, that's gonna work. So I'm gonna listen to output MP4 if that's correct. Yeah, that's a good starting point. And where do I end? Super. Voila. We have a documentation for later. If you have the same goal at some point in time in your life, you say I want to cut some pieces out of my video, then this would be my reference. So if I forget again, I'll watch my own video. This is the way to go. All right, cheers.